Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coinbase Pro, secure guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Coinbase Pro. Press the enter key to navigate to the Coinbase Pro website. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure that your password is entered correctly. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check for a prompt. Open your Authenticator app or your email for the verification code. Enter the code in the appropriate field on the login page. Once all fields are filled in, click the Sign In button. You may be asked to complete a CAPTCHA for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify that you are not a robot. After successfully logging in, take a moment to review your account dashboard. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already. This enhances the safety of your account during future logins. Ensure that you log out of your account when you're finished. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Now you are ready to use Coinbase Pro securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.